Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today we will learn what is variable, how it's work, and how can we use it in Python program. So let's go. First question is our what is variable? Variable is a name used to store data in a program. So you can see guys, suppose I write here name equals to jihad. Okay, then I print name, and I run this code. You can see it's showing name jihad. Okay, if I want it's more modification and more addition, then I can write here. So I am writing here, you can see double quotation in, and then I give clone, and in here I am writing here my name is, then I run this code. You can see this result, my name is jihad. It's fully here. You can see here in this name is here a variable. You can also I have another example I can give here. Suppose I give here s. Okay, s equals to 20. Then I want to print it my s. Now I am what to do. Now I am doing print, then double quotation, sorry, spelling mistake, double quotation, I am, then I give here this variable I give here. Here you can see is, I give here is, only I give here is. Here it's showing here you my own is years old. It is showing my own is. It's showing full program. I am 20 years old. So let's go run our program. You can see I am 20 years old. And if you want another example, if so, let's I showing you another type. We can write here a variable and showing here our result. You can also write here to do n equals to 25. Okay, then we print it. How can I print it if then double quotation, then I am writing I am, then first second bracket, then in n, then years old. It's showing us I am 25 years old. So guys, there are three types of you can write Python program. In Python program variable, how it's writing in programming language, in Python programming just. So thanks for watching this video.